Welcome to the unfolding realm of storytelling, where every narrative embarks on a journey and each word leaves a footprint. Today, we delve into first-person narrative, a technique that offers an intimate and immersive glimpse through the protagonist's eyes, allowing us to feel their emotions and think their thoughts. This perspective dives deep into the character's psyche, serving as a powerful tool for writers. The roots of first-person narrative stretch deep into literary history, giving us classics that continue to captivate. This technique plays a crucial role in storytelling, transforming passive readers into active participants by inviting them into the protagonist's world. As we explore first-person narrative, we consider its potential to engage and transform. With the protagonist guiding us, we journey not only through their world, but within their essence. Let's embark on this adventure, unlocking the techniques that bring characters to vivid life. At the heart of every memorable story is an empathy bridge, intricately connecting protagonist and reader. Through first-person narrative, writers directly immerse readers in the protagonist's thoughts and feelings, crafting a world that's not merely observed, but deeply felt. Imagine sharing in the protagonist's deepest conversations, making every moment of joy and hardship a personal experience. As we further explore reader immersion, beyond just walking in the character's shoes, we engage in a journey of the soul. This segment introduces interactive exercises focusing on sharing profound thoughts and emotions, enriching character development and plot to resonate deeply. Strong stories are those that forge a lasting connection to the reader's heart. Diving deeper into the essence of first-person narratives reveals the fertile ground from where character depth emerges. Witnessing life through the protagonist's eyes allows us to grow with them, embracing every victory and setback. This direct connection isn't merely a narrative choice. It's a unique bridge fostering an intimate reader-character relationship. Here, the narrator's reliability becomes an exploration area, challenging our perception and prompting deeper engagement. The character arc presented through this perspective becomes a shared experience, enhancing empathy and connection. As this journey progresses, we will examine how elements like character complexity, reliability, and evolution not only engage, but challenge us, enriching the storytelling experience. Navigating the landscape of first-person narrative reveals its strength in crafting deep connections, though it also presents challenges. The viewpoint's limitation, focusing solely on the protagonist's experiences, requires creativity to maintain a rich narrative. Overcoming inherent biases and maintaining suspense are pivotal, with nuanced character development allowing readers to perceive a broader world. Subtly withholding information can build anticipation, turning potential constraints into opportunities for engaging storytelling. As we explore these techniques, we'll address how to innovate within narrative confines, resulting in stories that captivate and resonate. Our journey through first-person narrative underscores its transformative power in storytelling, acting as a mirror reflecting the human condition. It's time to integrate these insights into your own narratives, breathing life into characters that speak directly to readers, immersing them in authentic experiences. This final segment reinforces the significance of viewing the world through your character's eyes, enriching your narrative with depth and honesty. Harness these lessons to craft stories that do more than tell. They invite readers to live each moment. With these techniques, continue your writing journey, infusing your stories with the authenticity and intimacy that first-person narrative uniquely offers.